Hi friends, just wanted to invite you into a quick unboxing of some new inventory that we're going to add in. So we like to source creatively to bring you guys some really fun pieces that are affordable. This should be some men's and some women's pieces. So here, this is a really great vintage Pendleton flannel. That's really nice with the blue and the tan colorway. It's a size medium, so that's a good size. Here we have a classic men's denim jacket by Levi's. That's the size extra large, so that's going to be a good essential piece for somebody to have. You can never have enough denim jackets. Go with everything. Easy wear, kind of year round. Looks like we have another men's piece here. And this one is a fleece lined, that's nice, Vans button-up flannels. So this is going to be a great, this is like a shacket. So a shirt and a jacket together, size extra large, classic fit. This will be a cool one. Oh, and it has pockets down here. That's nice. So this will be a cool one for the guys, for you or the guys in your life. So there's a quick unpacking of a few items, and we'll go ahead and get these added to our closet. You can find our Poshmark closet link in the bio, and or you can also DM us any shopping questions. So thank you for hanging out for this unboxing, and we'll have more in the future. And thanks for shopping with us. Bye.